Guys, you're not gonna believe the art project that we made. It's a 3D metallic lava flowing into the Pacific Ocean. We're gonna show you every step of how to create your art project that will come to life. Whether it's a table that you're refinishing or wall art you're gonna hang in a gallery, stay tuned and enjoy the video. Remember, when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again.
Save for later use.
All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sand this to give it tooth, a mechanical bond. I'm gonna use 36 grit on the sanding sponge to create a nice rough surface. Guys, we're in Hawaii, we're on the Big Island, and what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna do something special for these homeowners. We're gonna create a lava ocean project because we're right here in the heart of it. And so we're gonna create lava first, we're gonna stipple it, we're gonna make it look like lava rock, and we're gonna create reservoirs for our lava. And we're also gonna create an ocean scene that kind of flows off into the Pacific Ocean. Let's get started. All right, I love these tables that we got at Walmart. Yeah. That's a blast. I'm thinking we carry over the lava around this outside perimeter and like have some lava chunks. I don't know how high, but not too high because we want to make this three-dimensional, but basically we're going to create a pool for the lava and maybe some high points.
Cool.
And then maybe even like some more pools for lava and then like a pool for the ocean. So the,
like it.
You know what I'm saying?
I do, and the smooth they want to use it as a table. Nice area to sit.
Yeah. So we need to have some areas. It can be used as a table or art. I don't know what they'll want to use it for, but I'm stoked, man.
Me too.
Yeah, let's kind of map out where it's going to go. I'm thinking lava all right here. This is going to be like lava rock, and I think like the lava will come down right here off.
That's going to be more rock.
Yeah, and then rock, so it'll kind of create like a swimming pool. That'll be all lava, and then this will be ocean. And then that epoxy that we tint like lava will kind of flow throughout that. As opposed to using water, we're going to use the concrete bonding adhesive. It has a lot of water in it, but it's also fortified with polymer. So that polymer really helps the concrete be sticky. It also helps it not crack when you do a large slump. I really like it. It makes concrete very versatile.
Perfect for this project.
Yes. Shake it before you
bake it.
Okay. So you could always add more. Can't take it out, right? So just add a little bit at a time and just start mixing. Now, normally I'd mix with a drill, but we only have one paddle with us, so we'll mix this with a stick. And it's better to have it a little bit stiff. You don't want it runny, right? Oh yeah, see that? It'll really kind of, it'll retain its shape. You know, you want a nice thick mix. The reason I like cement as opposed to concrete is it doesn't have the aggregate in it.
Right.
But it does have sand, so it's going to hold it together, and the epoxy will make it super strong, but the aggregate would force us to have high points we may not want.
Yeah, this is going to be a cool coffee table.
Here we go. Let's do this.
Question of the day. How much krill does a whale eat to get that much blubber?
Oh, krill must be high in fat, man.
Is it krill or plankton?
Guys, let us know. Is it krill?
Or plankton?
I'm going to start right here. And I think we really push it to the piece to create that bond, right? You know what? Maybe we pull it off these paint pyramids until we're ready to lift it up. Why don't you start like doing this section?
Okay.
Because we might need to mix more. and really just get, like, you gotta almost sand it in there. You don't want to leave anything. You don't need a lot on those edges, just enough to create an irregular pattern, you know. I'm gonna put an island right here. Oh wait, go get a lava rock.
Oh, and print?
Yeah, we'll use it as a stamp. Like, even those little rocks there, Mitch. Yeah, dude.
Yeah, this one's doing a good job too.
Yes. And like lava sometimes kind of smooth, right? I mean, when it flows out. So this will give it, yeah, this is giving it good texture, man.
Two different kinds. There's a fast moving hoi, and then there's the slow moving aha.
Okay, so we're making whatever this looks most like, that's what we tried to make. Use that roller, Mitch. I put a little polymer on it and maybe roll it out a little bit. Let me see that. I'll show you what I mean. So we can kind of smooth it out in some of the high points so it could still be not too rough as a table, you know.
That's looking cool.
Let's let that dry and start working on another section.
Okay.
You good with that?
Yeah. I'm worried about this big buildup at the bottom.
Okay, let's fix that. I don't know, man. I think that'll be awesome. I'm gonna leave that. Look at Mitch.
Yeah, that actually is cool.
That's really cool, right? And we'll just sand it from being too sharp. All right, let's mix up some more. All right, so Gecko, we're gonna have you, I'll kind of get it out, and then if you don't mind using the sponge and the rocks and trying to stamp it a little bit, just give it some character, and then we'll smooth out the high points with that roller. You cool with that?
Yeah.
We're gonna fill this with metallic deep red epoxy. Nice. Oh, that looks good, man. Heck yeah, good job. All right, let's let it dry. There you go. It doesn't look like much now, but it will. Okay, this is all dry. It sure dries fast out here in Hawaii,
sure
bro.
does.
It looks like lava.
It does, it does. So we're just gonna take our sanding blocks and remove any high points that are sharp, just to make it somewhat smooth to the touch. You cool with that?
Okay. Black.
Archaeology right there.
Yeah.
Lava. Liquid hot magma.
That looks legit, man.
I like the island. Dude, this is cool.
We're just blocking the overspray. So I think that's good. Okay, here we go. Ocean mist. That's appropriate. Let's use some of this one. It'll be darker out here where it's deeper.
Maybe the ocean mist sprayed off just like an overspray right on the edge there.
Maybe we do that instead of the brown too. There we go. There's our shore and our ocean. Okay, we could pull all this paper off.
Are we gonna sell that?
This is for you guys.
What?
This is for you guys.
Oh my god.
So we can just shim this up. Let's just pour it here, man. You want to? Mitch, do you want to start mixing epoxy? Sure. All right, buddy. I'll get this level. Okay, try that. Yeah, I like that. We should probably just lift the table up on both feet. I'll do that. Go ahead. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, we have our clear epoxy mixed up. we got some cups. We're gonna do a couple of colors here. We're gonna do our dark red, we're gonna do our Crater Lake, and we're gonna do our ocean blue. The dark red's gonna be the lava, the ocean blue and the Crater Lake will mix to create the ocean. We're also gonna do our white base tint just on the shoreline and swipe that into the ocean. And you talked about a little bit of yellow in some of the lava.
A little bit of highlights in there.
All right, we'll do some of that too. Let's find something for yellow and we'll get started. Okay, so we'll do our dark red. I'm gonna really concentrate this. I want it very, very deep and dark. So,
A lot of pigment.
Yep.
So Mike,
Yeah.
this is still good. And if we added red, we could use this as the thicker if you wanted.
Oh, I see. Good call. Yeah.
Red and gold, having it come down the... I'll go get a little cup to put a little of this gold in it.
Mitch is on fire.
He's got some gold. We got some.
I got you the white base tint and that extra cup.
All right, cool. Gecko.
And Gecko ideas, so he's probably.
Do you want to mix that? I'm gonna do the blues, and then we're gonna do that one last.
Red, really powder, yeah. It came right up from the bottom.
This is like when I bring the kids over and we all do slime.
Right, I felt like a kid playing with that cement on this board. It was awesome.
I'll bet.
Thinking my kids would love this.
Yes, they would.
I'm gonna move these off. We'll keep these down here. All right. This is gonna be so fun. Okay, here we go.
That color is unbelievable. Is that unbelievable, that color?
It is amazing. Okay, Gecko, you want to start that section? All right, I'm going to start the ocean. I'm going to pour a little bit of this white right by the shoreline so we have something to drag over the ocean to create the froth and the foam.
I mean, we have froth, foam.
Sea foam.
It really does look like Kilauea, doesn't it?
So I'm just going to join those two colors, and then I'll drag that white over, and it's going to do a really fun effect.
I love it.
Be a fun art project, or you could put the...
Put it right on the wall. I've got a spot for it right now.
Oh, good. Definitely go with a beach house, right?
Actually, right where that ship is, I think that's where this goes.
Here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, teach us. Oh, yeah.
Okay, wait. It's going to see what it does.
Oh, it's coming back like a wave.
Oh, man, that is cool.
Should we run some lava off these two?
Yes. Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes. I didn't think that might be the best idea, but you got me convinced. Oh, yeah. Can you get the torch, Luke?
Oh, the waves look phenomenal.
Torch.
Unbelievable.
Oh, look at the beach. I didn't see that till now. I was focusing on my volcano, dude. That looks sick.
Beach.
That is so neat.
That is Hawaiian colors too.
This is one of the sickest projects we've ever done. I knew it could be really cool. They're gonna want their whole countertops like this now.
Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Amazing. Can I have that on my counter?
I just said that. I did.
I want that on my counter. Amazing. Amazing.
It really is.
Wow.
It's cool. So cool.
I like it, Mitch.
Robert, come see this volcano.
I like it. What do you think?
It's amazing. It really is. The shoreline is awesome. It does look like a normal shoreline.
It does. It looks like our shoreline.
White. I love the lava.
Gecko, my man, what do you think of the final project?
Fantastic. No, I love it.
What's your favorite part, man?
Well, I got a couple spots. I like kind of how the lava's kind of mingled in.
Yes.
Going into the rocks. I love our white water.
Yes.
Going into the ocean and how it's like going into the depth.
Uh-huh.
Also, I like the gold highlights that were in there because lava isn't just red.
Okay.
Yeah, it's molten. It gets almost white hot in there.
We do projects like this. We do floors, we do countertops, art, woodworking projects, and more. Visit our website anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com.
And call for free project support.
Until next time from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this.
Aloha!